How do it taste? Huh? How do it taste?
Good.
Fire. It's hot. We always got some loud shit going on, so excuse our background. Excuse my hair too.